That's the A axis. It's going through a test. Just hooked up the drive rack and just testing everything. I'm going to make some fine adjustments, such as over here on the X. I have to adjust that. And I was a little concerned about the heat on this axis, the Z, and spoke to Norm over in support over at Microkenetics, and apparently it's just a higher amperage motor, and is nothing to worry about. So we're just running some tests right now, and working just fine. Everything's just working fine. Really good torque, really good strength, really even motion. I'm very happy. I'm very happy, and these things aren't real simple to put together, and if you have the support, and you're going to be able to fix it. You're going to be able to do things. Clearly, to me, it was most companies can't do that, and the mill happens to be a very good mill, but their company, without the minus the support, was just very frustrating. So that's why I went ahead and researched for about a year or so and came up with Microkenetics, because I didn't want some small drive unit that's just going to blow out and going to get a spike and just pop, and then I'd have to replace it all, because I've done that many times in the past where I've cheaped out, and just didn't want to do that. And it's just running real good. A few suggestions that at first, when I thought that this was on the Z-axis, this motor was getting too hot. At least on the IH mill, there's not a lot of room here, so I'm going to groove it out a little bit anyway. I'm going to burr that metal out, prime it, paint it, and get it ready, and then this way, just in case I'm putting too much tension on those wires. I always get worried about pinching wires. I might move a tensioner onto here, drop a little tension down onto that with the ball bearing. And this looks real good. It's really nice. I have my oilers in. I bought from Gromax an automatic oiler, which is really nice. It oils every 15 minutes automatically. Once the power's on, every 15 minutes you're going to get oil. I have my flow container down below, and let's see what else there is. I made new standoffs for this, because this can actually take a lot smaller motor. They were absolutely right over there, and but they upgraded me anyway, and at no cost, no extra cost, because they just wanted to get the order going over at Microkenetics, and they did. And so that motor's really good. That motor's the same. This motor's smaller, and the rotary table is smaller. It's going to go on a 6-inch rotary table, or what do I have? An 8-inch rotary table. And so I'm pretty excited and very happy and very glad to see it's running very nicely. The software for MillMaster is pretty straightforward. It's really good, and I'm converting things over from SolidWorks. I'm running their programs right now, but I do my stuff in SolidWorks and then I convert it over. So kudos to Microkenetics, and I'm pretty darn happy that I was able to do this too, because really this is a hobby, and it's an expensive hobby, but it is a hobby, and I do like to build things and prototype things, and that's just something I like to do. And I think that to be able to buy something, get it from a company that has some real good ethics and real good just a real good take on things, oh, I really appreciate it. Folks over there, Marianne, Norm, Maurice, over at Microkenetics. Again, I appreciate it because it made the process a lot better. Okay, I'll keep you posted, and as I build things out, I'll show you them. There's going to be some pretty neat stuff coming off this mill, I would like to think.